Good. Very, very good. So now I'd like to just conclude by showing you my mind map. Again, I've written just in the center, I've written picture, and from the picture, I can now generate ideas in the minute that I have to prepare for the speaking task on the Aptis exam. So that's why you'll have a piece of paper sitting with you in the exam, exactly for tasks like this. And it's good to practice doing mind maps. You simply write a word, and by association, you generate all of the different words. They have a different branch. And again, as we saw from the conversation between Yun and I just now, each word, with each word, you can find something that you would like to speak about. And there are so many options that you have that you will certainly be able to use all of the time very effectively when you have to speak, and you won't get nervous as many people obviously would when they're timed speaking. Another way that you can prepare for that task is to time yourself. Using a video right now in the online training, and this is a typical way you can also prepare yourself for the exam. You can use your own webcam, look at a picture. Um, as I said, go through make the mind map ahead of time, and then time yourself. Record yourself describing the picture, talking about the picture, and make sure to just give yourself more time than is typically in the test. So do it for 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes, record yourself,